How to use ChatGPT for marketing. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be going over how you can use ChatGPT for your advantage to get started with marketing. Now, there are multiple different aspects of marketing, and I will be covering 6 ways that you can use ChatGPT. So let's jump right in. Now, a lot of people might wonder, hey, for marketing, is it gonna write me Instagram captions or quotes or just, some quirky little lines? Well, you are underestimating the power of ChatGPT because ChatGPT has a very large capability of answering any kind of question, and marketing is a lot about answering questions, finding solutions, and providing those solutions in a florally manner. So, to get started with the first way is producing material for chatbots. Now, if you have a website and you have like a Q&A or like a chatbot, it might be on your website, it might be on social media, but a lot of times those chatbots need to have a lot of material to talk to whenever they are talking to a customer. So if a customer has a query regarding shipping, regarding returns, regarding product information, whatever it might be, they are going to have questions. So it can produce material for the chatbot to talk about. Let's say you have a chatbot and you want to give it all sorts of information. So let's say we have a business of selling jewelry, and we're selling jewelry that is tarnish free. So I want it to have like if someone opens up my chatbot and says, "Is your jewelry tarnish free?" I want it to have a nice little article or a nice little reply about how the jewelry is tarnish free. I don't want to have to type all that. So the kind of prompt that I actually recommend you guys is to just write, so can you give me 5 FAQ about jewelry and answers that do not exceed 150 words? Now it's going to answer with a simple, answer. You can include these questions. You can, remove certain questions if they're not, very accurate to your business. Now I let it have a word limit of 150 words. You can choose it to be shorter, whatever is your personal preference. That is totally up to you. Now, a lot of these questions can be super helpful. You can also ask it to, answer certain questions. So can you write and answer saying yes, our jewelry tarnish free and 18K gold plated to a customer's question. Now, you can see I would have just written yes, our jewelry tarnish free and 18K gold plated, but you can see how ChatGPT is formulating a very proper answer, and you can just copy and paste these onto your chatbot on your website or on your social media platforms. Now, moving on to the second way that we can use ChatGPT for marketing is designing individualized email campaigns. So you can create client-based emails based on your demographic, past interaction. So let's say I have a customer that bought our jewelry but wants to return it. Now, what I want to do is I want to send them an email. Let's say I sent a customer a broken piece of jewelry. So I would enter the prompt in ChatGPT as, so can you write a email for a 10% discount coupon for a customer that received a broken earring and has returned it? So now you can see subject, sorry for your inconvenience, plus 10% discount coupon, the customer's name. Now it's going to, add all the information. It's, writing the apology, it's giving a 10% coupon. You're just going to enter the discount code. It's even leaving you the space to write that. And you have an expiration date if you want to use. If you want to, keep expiration dates, that's totally up to you. But you can see you have a very concise and very genuine email ready for a customer. Now, this is amazing because you can target this to certain clients. You can just enter their information, what previous history you have with that particular customer or their demographic, and you have a very customized and personally tailored email ready within seconds. Now, moving on to our next way that we can use ChatGPT, we have social media posts. Now, social media posts can be so much more interesting with ChatGPT. So I can write, So can you write a new Instagram campaign for our new silver jewelry line? So here is a campaign idea. It's going to give me the entire title, a description. Then you can ask it to write you captions. You can ask it to, provide captions, provide certain discounts, create enticing little options. You can also ask it to create action-based features. So more call to actions, how you should include call to actions into your captions within Instagram. And this is super amazing because they have, all these campaign ideas that have been merged from all parts of the world, from businesses around the globe, that can now be converted together. So you have behind the scenes content, you have user generated content, you have giveaways and contests, collaborate with influencers, and a variety of looks. Now, can you generate 10 captions for our new posts? Now, it's going to manage the conversation that we previously had, and it's going to realize that I'm talking about the silver jewelry. If it's not able to get that, I would just have to type it in. But you can see here are 10 captions you could use for your new posts. Add some sparkle to your day with our stunning new silver jewelry. You can see over here it's adding hashtags and all the emojis as well. Now I'm just going to stop generating and we're going to move to the next way, which is generating product description. So a product description is a very important part of any kind of product. And if you're writing those on your website, it doesn't matter if you're writing on your website, your social media posts, any product needs to have a description. So I can just ask it to generate product descriptions for any of my products. So can you write a product description for star-shaped silver hanging earrings? Now, it's going to write our product description for me, and that is all I have to do, just provide the prompt, and that is it. Now, after that, we also have another example, which is creating a marketing copy. So a marketing copy is like a umbrella term we could use to create marketing material for landing pages, for online platforms, for any kind of marketing. So could you write a copy, which is basically like information about the product? So could you write a marketing copy for this? By this, I'm referring to my new product, and now ChatGPT is just going to generate the marketing copy for us. Now, the best part about this is that if you have like any section that you want to summarize, you can just ask it to summarize or expand on the conversation, and it will do that. Now, okay, so it's not referring to this, so could you write a marketing copy for our earrings? Now, I'm pretty sure it's going to detect what I mean by this. Now, you can see it's writing the marketing copy for us. Now, moving on to our next and last way to automate our marketing is creating customer service responses. So, these are super, super important because complaints from customers need to be addressed as soon as possible. And you can use ChatGPT to create those responses. And you can see it even took my 18K gold plating that I mentioned above and has added it to even this specific copy as well. Now, to relieve customer frustration, you can formulate all of your answers on ChatGPT. So it could be questions, it could be complaints, it could be any kind of issues in your ticketing pipeline that you face. You can simply answer, take those questions over here. So, for example, let's say I received a complaint from a customer saying their silver jewelry is tarnishing, but I know it cannot tarnish, so I'm just going to ask them. So, can you write a response to a customer complaint saying their silver jewelry is tarnishing? Answer saying it only needs to be polished and is tarnish free. So, you guys can see over here that this is like a very good response. It's very easy and not, directly saying that the customer is wrong, while at the same time addressing the customer's concern. So these are the different ways that you can use ChatGPT for marketing. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.